Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a single family residence? This property is situated on almost half an acre of land in the prime location of Cherry Gardens. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus a self-contained 1 bedroom flat. The front yard is level and perfect for hosting guests or family gatherings, and the pool deck is spacious. Locating standalone homes can be tricky, but there's an extraordinary opportunity staring you in the face. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.35 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.